Welcome all. Our today's topic is intranet and extranet. In this lecture, we will cover these topics. In the previous lecture, we have learned about internet and www and take an idea of intranet and extranet. Today, we will learn these two concepts. What is these and how these are differ from internet. So let's continue with the lecture. The internet we have discussed, we have learned in the previous lecture. It's a network of network, or we can say it is publicly accessible network. We have learned about www. The internet is a collection of interconnected computer networks linked by copper wires, fiber optic cables, wireless connections, etc. And if we can say that www is the service accessible via internet, as we have discussed that all the files, all the contents, our audio, video, text files, all these are available, all these are saved on the web in the form of web pages, and with the help of internet we can access these files. Now come to our main topic, that is intranet. It is same, the working of internet is same, to connect two devices, but there is a limitation in intranet that we can connect two devices within a particular premises or within a single organization, within a single room, within a single building as well. Okay, typically internet for a business organization consists of many interlinked local area networks and use wide area network technology for network connectivity. The main purpose of an intranet is to share company information and computing resources among employees. So no one outside the company cannot access the information of a company. Okay. So as we will know that internet is based on a client server architecture. If we have a server and we have a client, we can arrange the connectivity. Same, on the same concept, companies have created their own internet to share company's information on the company's net. This is, or we can say it as a private internet. This is accessible only within the company as well. The content available inside intranet are intended only for the members of that particular organization, usually employees of a company. The outside people, outside persons cannot access this particular information. This is called intranet. Now the problem in intranet is safe. The information will be safe and secure, but the main problem in intranet is that when any employee is outside from the company and he or she want to access the resource, he or she want to access some information from the company server, then what will he or she do? This is the main problem with the internet. To overcome this problem, the extranet facility came into existence. Extranet is a, we can say extranet is a extended form of intranet. any employee. Here is a concept like in intranet that only the authorized person, only the employee can access the company information via its secure network. That's called extranet. An extranet can be viewed as part of a company's intranet that is intended to users outside the company. Like there are suppliers, vendors, partners, customers, and other business associates are associated with a particular with every company, and they want to access any information, any relevant information. So extranet provide this facility to connect with the server in a secure manner. Extranet is required for normal day-to-day business activities, for example, placing purchase order, or we can, as we have discussed, that if anyone outside the company want to access the information from the company server, then via extranet we can provide a safe and secure information to a particular. Okay, any many types of security can be put in between the server information and the user. We can use login id passwords, any interface within this. By this diagram you can check this is our intranet. Okay, is the inside the company. You can check like this is our company boundary, and if anyone want to access the information, then this is called extranet facility. Okay, and except this we have a internet facility, that is public network. Clear this thing? So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes.